wontumi fa Rawlings and fan to your friends and Travel. Rawlings said that the dear will conclude.
Catch us Rawlings and Emma Ghana higher the Yakodri. Rawlings Epton Kwame Nkrumah factories nina. What him said before Rawlings, na Ghana, can saying Ghana Airways. Yes, na yankasa, aeroplane, near friend Ghana Airways. Rawlings. Ebusia, me say abra Rawlings ball, man, you say Rawlings, Elton Yama in some factory, and a kind of factory on some, or the money. Native, I could not do my Rawlings. Me say a kind of crown. Rawlings 19 years no. Wanya she no the Ghana quality. Higher Ghana and same TV busuya. A year sa historian ye. Sa historian ya or taika history be. Or the insevia betuja eda fa Rawlings. Amamo boni bebu ya Ghana ha say the busuya. Ma me ka sanwa. Enti yambo ne kotie nsemo de tuja ne bani wi a. Ya be chire adwin e won.
Wontumi fa Rawlings and fan to your friends and Travel. Rawlings said that the dear will conclude deeper. But when you just so because of Rawlings, but wow, I mean, let's say the truth. Kwame Nkrumah factory so sisi na Rawlings na best say na 2 ni na guya. Etonto ni na 1984. Maybe a secondary school. I remember years into the war. Papa, and I'm going to say release your results. You come say into me. And then I'm the back of me. What's not trade? That time trade more for a quarter of Kumasa Bakra. What you refer to, especially about a very sleeper. Do not sleeper no more, dear. And the train is just a car. And for people at a time when we can't any person. What you might say, play over Quaku. That train will put the Vivian of any turbulence. It wouldn't just shade, it would tremor. Your room's cabin or what? Oh, you can only be a first class and a cabin. And you go with Dapa. There 5 hours. What that would in the Apostle, yes. Your ton newspapers, so your ton theatre, BBL, Papa the good. And I want to say, oh my, or the 2 Ghana Airways. And yeah, way, over Sano, and a Black Star Line. And a Nkrumah factory neither, Papa that's 2 neither, Papa that's say neither. Now, I give a compare, Amanenya, a guinea. And it's a history now, you're Chemuno. Now, my young wood no creme. I know I'm going to focus on my idea. One year, BBL. 1 year, BBL, and you're trying to reach. And I'm so many people in work as I make a would be anyone. Many people in NDC. I'm telling you the truth. Says I wasn't the boy. So prepare the Kwame Nkrumah PA and your wallet to time that you're good, you said. Apart from Ghana Telecom, I could phone so that toilet. Yakanina, Frank Latana Rawlings, my best idea, and Titama, or Fear Kuyasu. No, mine didn't be and the Kai Kwame Nkrumah. And that is the truth. Of the 2 Nkrumah Bibia, or say Bibia, or say Bibia, or say Bibia, that is the truth. Then, yeah, young pony said, the other side of Kurabi Adman, who could confide Japadia a few ones. We are doing my Japadia, my mammy. It's a one country. Na Ghana, yawo. Nsa one can require Nkrumah factory and they export to fruit juice at the collaborator or a bind or mine media. Yeah, the man actually said, or the side, they carry them. The deal on the toes, so they carry them. This is all to be a. And I didn't tell I didn't conform wrestle. Kayaka and that jailing one. Deeper the amount for the brepa, the chance that the immediate past that they could jail in the grass here. And no prosecute ya baby. Ya dear, you know, the prison is straight. Now, when you're corrupt, that time, I would say, as an son, baby or Ben. I don't know what you do, coach. They do as and the last one. And then you're forever. That was a kind of first time something that you get. Can I just admit? I'm not saying I'm cocaine. I mean, I'm one that time. On the answer, the design of question. I just before me and son. And this up, so the name of the job, I need a cool one. I couldn't do it. I want to go to Jason Fuano. I think what you start carrying your son is that Campagnola, said the other. The Coco woman. Now the question is, I want to make a say. So, you coco dear woo, baby. No, Pierre was said. The panel said, "Let taxi was a day. Who won your budget, Safuano? Now, your decoco fight, the panico cumna. Who bet me you work for Mr. Winning Bushy? Catherine is over to me you work for. And then we did very good. We did hear, we said, now, I didn't cry. just say, you plan it again when you could see. Then, because you said that for jump, you need a clean it up.
So what you say, I'm can say. After what you say, she factories. She factories and people go din. Nina, ye tonye. Me say, Kwame Nkrumah factories and na ye tomato factory. Ne Ghana ha say no say ye TV Ghana ha. Ne ye car e Ghana ha say. Na ye we kede na mo oil factory wo e ko de kwa bo say o sa me see for ho no. Na your factory ye mo ye sugar. Ane Ghana dia o. Oh, masa. JJ autoning na. Autoning na. And I've been telling you people say NDC as a political party any other people be at the Ghana 19 good years of John Jerry Rawlings, and that's a Jerry John Rawlings, JJ. You cannot pinpoint even 5 monumental projects JJ as the president of the Republic of Ghana. Now when you say JJ cool no, Ghana so for 11 good years. And Sandy got to Aba in 1992. I was also the president for 8 years count. Money 19 years. 19 fucking years. Bro, 19 fucking years. This man collapsed a lot of businesses. Sold all the factories around Nkrumah. You see, they made this country. And today I'll see some youths out there saying there is no job. And you think, who is the cause? Master, you people should sometimes make research and read. You the Gen Zs that you were born in 2001. You those people, sometimes I watch you and I be like, Master, unima busa. You see unima eden busa. Some of you behave as if Ghana started just 8 years ago. Go and ask your grandmother. Let them tell you the number of factories in Ghana and what happened to those factories when Rawlings took over in 81. Ask, they will tell you. It took over 79, the first school, and I think there was 1 or 2 things, and in 81 he came back and took over again. Till 2000, 19 years. Ask your grandmother, ask your grandfather, ask someone who is older than you, who is almost like 50, 60, 70 years, who knows the history, and they will tell you that before Rawlings, Ghana had this and so factories, and before he left power, 19 good years, all those factories, Yamutu, he go, he don't cast, he don't sell them, he have sold everything, sold some for his own wife. You understand? And I've been telling you people that, see, we know that Rawlings and his people doesn't care about you. But when we tell you, you think we are doing politics. It's not politics. So the NDC is the reason why you are unemployed today. Because assuming all those factories, 100 and something factory that was built by Kwame Nkrumah, and even the British before Kwame Nkrumah became the Prime Minister and the President, were still there and working, you think there will be unemployment? There will be unemployment issues in this country? No. Because at least everybody will be working. You can find something doing because there are factories around. But one man sold all these factories, and they will come and tell you that forgetting that they caused everything that we are going through today. Sometimes just look at them and tell them the truth. I said, you have a smartphone, do research. If you have a smartphone, try and do research. As simple as that. Do research and you find out all these issues that I'm talking about. Basically, that's what Ghanaians voted for. And they are going to suffer it alone. Because some of us, we are not going to suffer with them. Hi, Ghana and Sem TV Busuya. ɛdi amagye so ɛne promise